Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock.
KingFish, where are we going?
We're going to the ancient city. Come and follow me. I will take you there.
Why are you talking like that?
Sawadika. Hello, my beautiful people, and we are here with a lovely couple that guess what? They're from our blue family. You know what's up, Zeta Phi Beta Sigma Incorporated. You already know. We looked up and found this stand in the middle, just about the middle of the ancient city, and this lady was so kind and just had all these smiles. I asked her if it was okay to record and she didn't have a problem with it. And this was my first time having bean sprouts with tofu, and it was so good. I'm trying to eat just slightly more healthier than I normally do, and this really just, you can see, look at that plate. Oh my gosh, it was all that goodness. It was so good. Well, after having our food, it was time to, try to burn off a little bit of the calories. And no, we weren't walking, but it made us feel a little better knowing that we were moving in some form of fashion. And we still found some things at the ancient city that we had not seen. As you can see, just beautiful. If you haven't made it to the ancient city, you need to get here. Our frat brother CJ, who loves to eat, knew of a special place that he just knew he had to take us to, and that's where we're going now. Here at ICONSIAM, there is a buffet, I say, and let's just take you to it. If you're looking for the ultimate feast in Bangkok, you have to head to the 6th floor of ICONSIAM. Welcome to Great Harbor, Thailand's largest international buffet. Originating from Taiwan, this massive culinary paradise spans over 2,000 square meters. Yes, you heard me right. The moment you walk in, the upscale, energetic atmosphere sets the stage for an incredible 2-hour dining journey. Great Harbor features 6 premium food stations, blending the absolute best of East and West. Seafood lovers, this is your playground. They have a stunning seafood on ice station packed with fresh oysters, and the Japanese counter serves up incredible fresh, thick-cut salmon, sashimi, and premium sushi made to order. What made this place special was the live cooking concept. There were chefs constantly preparing dishes right in front of you, ensuring everything hits your plate piping hot. Whether you're craving rich, comforting soups or a customized plate of teppanyaki, the variety here is honestly mind-blowing. Don't skip the Asian specialties. Their crispy Peking duck wrapped in delicate crepes is a must try. To help wash all of that down, the drink station is fully loaded. They've got everything from refreshing iced teas and herbal drinks to classic soft drinks and creative mocktails to keep you refreshed throughout your meal. Make sure you save room because the dessert station is a whole experience on its own. It feels like stepping into a high-end pastry boutique. We're talking beautiful French-style cakes, delicate pastries, and a crowd favorite, warm, sweet mango sticky rice. Again, this is Great Harbor. It's at ICONSIAM and it has fresh ingredients in a world-class location.
You know we're spoiled, right? Yeah, we're really spoiled because we have our Frat and our Soror here, and they have been here for about 2 weeks, and we have had the pleasure of spending some of that time with them. So I'm curious to know, how does she feel about Thailand so far?
I love Thailand. It's beautiful. It's very peaceful. Everyone smiles. It's hard to explain. You really have to be here to understand it. But it's very relaxing. Bangkok is busy, but it's a good busy. It kind of reminds you of New York.
Yes,
You know,
I agree.
it's busy, but it's not to where you can't get used to it or it's just going to affect you. So I love it. I love it.
We've been having a few conversations, and one major thing that sticks out was you need to come for yourself and see for yourself. Don't go off of KingFish, Queenfish, or any other social media.
Listen to me. I know what I'm talking about.
You know, we're telling you from our experiences, but you need to get the vibe. You
Yes.
need to come and visit.
Yes, absolutely.
CJ outdid himself again. He invited us over to the community kitchen at his condo, and my goodness, KingFish and CJ were in their playground, which is the kitchen, and we were there to enjoy every minute of what they were going to put out. You see this ambiance? You know how I am. I really like a classy space. And KingFish, he was just enjoying himself between the vibes of the music and doing what he loves to do best. He was in his element. I'm not a chef, but there is one thing that I did learn. You need to let that meat rest. And you see all that juiciness? Yeah, look at that salmon. Oh my gosh.
Sookie now. Look at that.
It's Thanksgiving in Thailand in June. Look at that spread. Oh my goodness. I'm salivating just looking at it. So CJ made some oxtails, some cornbread, and some fried bananas, and KingFish made that salmon, and what was it? Was it a T-bone? I may have the wrong cut of meat, but you know what? I ate it anyway, and all of us had the itis. Look, we didn't want to move, but we had to move because we needed to clean up. Poor Jazzy even had the itis. Look at her. She looks like she just wants to drop her head and go to sleep. Hi, Jazzy. Oh man, we had a time. And to top it all off, you know that Sigma cheesecake. If you know, you know. I want to say thank you to Rob and Denise for taking time out of your vacation to spend with us. Thank you, CJ, for extending your space to us. Also, KJ, thanks for joining us, and Winnie, and Jazzy, and Jasmine. Thank you. There's nothing like spending time with family.